Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look, follow-up video from Witty's Beard Co. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, aka the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, if this is your first time on my channel or checking out any of my videos, welcome. If you enjoy hiking videos, beard product reviews, gear reviews, then this is the right place. You've come to the perfect spot. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that like button on this video. All right, so today we're going to be talking about some of the products from Witty's Beard Co. Now, if you remember a couple weeks ago, I did an unboxing for Witty's Beard Co. Curtis over there sent me a huge box of beard products. It was too much to do for one review, so I've narrowed it down, and this is going to be part one of a series for Witty's Beard Co. And we're going to be taking a look at a couple of the products that he sent me. Witty's Beard Co. was created in the fall of 2018, basically out of necessity. All right, so Curtis reached out to a couple people with an online survey. He created a survey, put it out, and a lot of people basically gave him feedback that there are companies out there that have great beard products. However, they don't have a full line when it comes to the scent profiles. So you have to mix and match with that company if you find a company you like. So he said, well, let's fix that. So he has come out with a full line of products, everything from shaving gel to beard oil, beard balm, pomade, beard wash, cologne, bar soap. He's got it all in a one-stop shop. So he created this company in in fall of 2018 with a 1900s style. So it's kind of got that vintage feel. So what we're going to be taking a look at is 4 products, all with the same scent profile, to give you that feeling of what you can get from Witty's. Let's start off with beard oil. So what we're going to look at today is the Kentucky bourbon scent. This will start with the oil. The oil comes in a matte black bottle. Their label, logo up front, you turn this way, we've got warnings, ingredients, you turn this way, you've got the scent and directions. All right, so he did tell me that he is going away from the dropper tops and he is going to a pump top. This is actually the first company that I've received that had the child-proof droppers on them. I've never had them before, so that's what these are. But he's going away from that and he's going to the pump style top. Kentucky bourbon. It's Kentucky bourbon. There's no other way to describe it. It is a clear oil and kind of a medium, I'm gonna say kind of a lighter medium consistency. Warm that up in hand and it's still a Kentucky bourbon. All right, so the ingredients on his oil: almond oil, vitamin E, argan oil, and fragrance. That's it. 3 carrier oils and fragrance. So it's a very good feeling oil. Felt really good in beard. Now this combination that I'm going over with you today, I used for 1 solid week. Every day I used all 4 of these products and it made my beard feel amazing. So the beard oil worked great. All right, so there were one or two days after that week testing, there were 1 or 2 days that I used just the oil by itself and it worked really well in my beard by itself. So the oil, that's number 1 on the list. Next thing we'll talk about is the balm, Kentucky bourbon. Oh, let's see, this is it's not on there, but this is a 1 ounce bottle. All right, so the balm comes in a 2 ounce tin with a pop top. All right, so if you remember if you watched my unboxing, this is a very firm holding balm. So the ingredients on the balm: beeswax, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, and fragrance. That's it. with a pop top. It's a white color, and I will tell you, this stuff is not easy. Let's see if I can turn this for the camera for y'all to be able to see it. It doesn't come out easy. It is a firm hold. Got a little bit here, but it emulsifies immediately, and it has some tack. This balm smells exactly like the oil. I don't get anything else. I don't get any of the carrier blend. I don't get any of the beeswax. It is straight up Kentucky bourbon. So smells really, really good. So the two of those together, you're going to be able to tame any of those flyaways. If you're one of those guys that likes a straight beard, this is going to keep you in line and keep you intact. All right, so next on the list, bar soap. 6 ounce bar soap. Now I didn't bring the soap out here, but this is what it comes in, a packaged paper wrapped, kind of with a vintage feel to it, with a sticker on there that says Kentucky bourbon. 6 ounces of bar soap. Now I've used this, and now I hadn't used bar soap in I don't even know how long, but I used this, and it had me, I mean, I felt good and clean. It was good. And when I combined all this stuff together, that scent, that Kentucky bourbon, I only smelled it in my beard. It wasn't lingering on my skin or anything like that from the soap. It smelled really good though. So last on the list, beard wash. Kentucky bourbon beard wash. This is 8 fluid ounces, black plastic bottle with a pump top. Now I screwed it down just to be able to come out here today so it didn't leak. And this stuff suds up amazing. Now, like I said previously, I used all 4 of these products for a week solid. I used this for 7 days straight, just like I would a co-wash. Because after I used it the first day, I realized that it didn't really strip all the way down of my beard. It just kind of did a good cleansing. And so I tried this for a week. I didn't lose any hairs. My beard still looks decent, in my opinion. You guys, y'all tell me, how's it look? But this stuff right here cleaned amazing. Now, for you guys that are all natural guys and you don't want to use anything that's not all natural, you're not really going to care for this, because it has some stuff that's not all natural. Now, personally, do I think that's going to make my beard fall out? No, I don't. So that's why I used it. If I would have thought it would have made my beard fall out, I wouldn't have used it. But I can tell you that I used this for 7 days straight, and it hasn't done anything to my beard. So, with that being said, Kentucky bourbon beard wash. Now this, like I said, it's got some things that I can't pronounce. They're not listed on his website. If you're curious about what's in his beard wash, you can reach out to him and ask him. He's got a website. He also is on Etsy. Pretty quick to respond. Shoot him a message, ask him what it is that he has in there. That might be the only thing that I would say work on when it comes to Etsy page and website, is to list those ingredients. But for you guys that aren't really worried about having that all natural product, try this out. I would say this whole thing, try it out. Beard wash is $7 for 8 ounces of beard wash. All right, your bar soap, $3 for a 6 ounce bar of bar soap. The oil and the balm are $13 a piece. So for, what is that, 26, 27, 28, $39? No, $36. You can pick up all 4 of these and be able to wash your beard, your body, and condition your beard. Now I will go ahead and say I use this on my head hair, and it did fine. So I was able to clean my whole body with this, beard oil, beard balm for my beard, and was a-okay. So there you go. Definitely check out Witty's Beard Co. Now, I'll be doing some follow-up reviews for some other products I've got, because he sent me a whole pile of stuff. So be looking out for parts 2 and however many parts it takes to get through all of the products. But definitely check out Witty's Beard Co. I will drop links in the description below for all of his information. I'll drop a link to that unboxing so you can see what all I have left to review, and you can check that out. If you've ever tried anything from Witty's, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. All right, guys, until next time, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.